Your teacher will have spent time taking you through your Board of Studies prescribed text in class. Now, there are a wide range of different prescribed texts that students will have studied across the state, and everyone will have to answer the same question, irrespective of which text they've studied. So it's important to realise that the question that the marking board puts out will be broad enough for all these different prescribed texts to be able to write about. You, in addition to that prescribed text that you studied in class, need to find related texts. Now, the related texts are things that you find yourself, and it's best to make those related texts of a different text type or a different medium to the prescribed text that you've studied in class. So if you've studied a novel in class, don't pick a novel for your related material. Find a film or song lyrics or another different type of text. I think that it's probably a good idea to prepare at least 2 related texts, because you might be asked to write about 2 in the exam, and you need to make sure that these related texts have got a very clear connection or link back to the prescribed text that you've studied. So it needs to deal with your prescribed text will have certain issues or themes in it that will emerge about the nature of belonging, and you want to find related texts that have got similar ideas about belonging, or things that you can compare between the prescribed text and these other related texts. There's a good chance that the essay question will only ask you to write about 1 related text. That's the trend that's been happening, but you need to read the question very, very carefully on the day to see whether it's 1 or 2 that are required. If it says at least 1 related text, it means that you can talk about more if you want to, but it's not necessary to get into the top bands, into the top marking bands. So it's probably better to limit the number of texts that you do write about. So if it says at least 1, then I would only write about 1 rather than dividing your time and trying to write about more than just that.